How to make a good LinkedIn profile. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you on how you can make a good LinkedIn profile, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, to make a good LinkedIn profile, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is basically go ahead and then open up the LinkedIn application here, and once you launch the LinkedIn app you will see this type of interface here. Now what you want to do from here is, if you just come to the profile tab and then you simply go to the view profile option here, you should be able to see all this, where you'll be able to go ahead and then figure out, first of all, everything begins with your profile picture. So just make sure that you use a professional profile picture, not the one partying at a beach or something like that. Once you have made sure of that, other things to keep in mind are your description and your resources. So here you can see creator mode and so on. You can see featured. You can just go ahead and see any of the articles that you have written here, and then you'll simply come here to the about section. You can also go to the experience tab to be able to view all of your experiences, and once you have done that, you can also choose to add your education, your licenses or certifications if you have performed a course. This will just make your LinkedIn profile stand out. You can add some of the recommendations given by other people and so on, and that's all it takes to go ahead and then basically make a good LinkedIn profile. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.